In today's video, I'll show you on how you can open MDisk link in Telegram. Basically, to do this, what you want to do is to grab yourself a compatible video player on your mobile devices. Now, the easiest solution for that is downloading VLC on your device. You want to open Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. In my case, this is the Google Play Store. And from here, you then want to search for VLC. So in my case, it's going to be VLC for Android, but if you're on your iOS device, it's only VLC, the name of the application. From there, the next thing that you want to do is to simply search for the MDisk application. So type m.disk, and then once again, you want to get the official application from MDisk. So in my case, unfortunately, it is not available as of the moment, but once again, you can just get the official application, and from there, you can now head over to the Telegram, open up the MDisk link, and from there, you will be able to do so. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.